In the heart of Aceh hides a green gem that embraces the earth with indescribable beauty. Beutong Ateuh, a forest that raises up gracefully, becomes home to countless lives. Old trees grow strong, their roots gripping the earth like hands preserving the stories of the ancients. Amongst the dense trees, numerous wild creatures roam freely, maintaining the balance of the ecosystem that has existed since long ago. From branch to branch, loud voices echoed. They are calling out to one another. In the undergrowth, shadows pass quickly, blending with the colors of the soil and leaves. The clear river flows endlessly as a source of life for all who depend on it. But its beauty is slowly fading. In a place that was supposed to be a sanctuary for life, human footprints began to ruin the harmony. Giant trees that were once standing strong are now falling one by one. Smoke rises from the burnt land, replacing the freshness of the air with the suffocating smell of fire. Slowly but surely, the forest that was once full of life turned into an empty land that lost its soul. The sounds of chainsaws replaced the song of nature. The chains of heavy equipment ripped apart the land that had preserved the long history of our ancestors. Beutong Ateuh is not just a green expanse, but it's a legacy, a story about the balance between human and nature. But if greedy hands continue to destroy it, will we remain silent and just witnesses to the loss of this beauty? This forest has been alive longer than we have. But the question is, will it remain for generations after us? And the answer lies in our hands.